Hurricane Michael is forecast to be the most destructive storm to hit the Florida Panhandle in decades. The storm will be life-threatening and extremely dangerous. The National Hurricane Center is forecasting storm surge to be between 8 to 12 feet between Indian Pass and Gulf County and Cedar Key and Levy County. That means the water will come miles inshore and could easily be over the roofs of houses. Think about that, 8 to 12 feet. We have declared a state emergency in 35 Florida counties. This allows state, federal, and local emergency managers to be able to quickly respond to this disaster.